Hi everyone, welcome to my latest Lightroom tutorial. Today we will learn to make the preset you can see on the screen. Here are some before and after pictures. If you would like the original preset file, you can download it for free by finding the password in this tutorial. Detailed instructions can be found in the description. Let's begin. Open the basic section. Temp, -30. Exposure, -0.2. Contrast, +40. Highlights, +5. Shadows, -10. Whites, +25. Blacks, +30. Texture, +20. Clarity, -15. Dehaze, -5. Vibrance, -40. Saturation, +60. Let's go to the tone curve. Edit the main curve this way. Let's make these changes to the red curve. Make the following changes to the green curve. Modify the blue curve this way. Open the HSL section. Red. Hue, -45. Saturation, -60. Orange. Hue, -50. Saturation, -75. Yellow. Hue, -80. Saturation, -50. Green. Hue, +25. Saturation, -90. Luminance, +10. aqua. Saturation, plus 25. Blue. Saturation, plus 25. Luminance, minus 10. Purple. Hue, minus 25. Luminance, plus 15. Magenta. Hue, minus 25. Luminance, plus 15. Open the color grading section. Let's edit the shadows. Hue, plus 155. Saturation, plus 15. Move to midtones. Hue, plus 255. Saturation, plus 10. Change the highlights. Hue, plus 215. Saturation, plus 25. Luminance, plus 15. Ensure Remove Chromatic Aberration is ticked in Lens Corrections. Open the Effects section. Post-crop vignetting. Amount, minus 15. Midpoint, plus 60. Feather, plus 90. And we're finished. To keep up to date with new tutorials, don't forget to subscribe. Check out the rest of this channel for more free presets. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.